Hi, this is MLB fan. I'm making a quick unboxing of two NHL jerseys. One is made by Team Apparel, which was before Reebok, and the other one is Reebok Authentic. Here we go. The first one is the Anaheim Ducks. It says Ducks for D on the front. Has the Anaheim patch on the side, Anaheim Ducks on the side. Anaheim, if I can turn this, Anaheim Ducks on the side, extra large, Team Apparel, says official right here. I don't know if you could see that. Second jersey is Minnesota Wild. It's Minnesota Wild A, number 11. Number 11. Reebok stitched. Size large. And it's the player of Zach Parise. Used to be a former Devil. Parise stitched, 11 stitched. And has the fight strap. That's cool. Okay, that has been my unboxing for Monday today of my two NHL jerseys. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.